by measuring out the heart, I'm going to use 2 fingers as a guide, and then my pointer finger from my other hand, and then do the top of the heart, just kind of bring it around. Using your fingers to measure will help you get an even heart. Again, I'm using 2 fingers on the other side and kind of bringing the part around, and you can adjust if needed. From here, I'm going to make a sharp turn down by the corner of her ear, leaving down a little bit of hair right by her ear. It makes the heart look sharper when you leave a little bit of hair by the ear. So here is my heart shape. From here, I'm just going to secure the rest of the hair out of the way, and then add a little bit of water and gel to the heart and start my Dutch braid. So if you don't know how to Dutch braid, I will link a tutorial down below that takes you through the basics, but I am going to start at the top left of the heart, taking 3 strands. I'm going to take an outer strand, cross it under the middle strand, and then I'm going to take an outer strand from the other side and cross it under the middle strand. Next time I cross under, I'm going to add some hair. I use a comb so that I can get a nice even section, and then I will cross the other side under. Again, use my comb so I can get a nice even section and add it to the other side. And then I'm just going to continue doing a Dutch braid until I'm all the way to the corner or the point of the bottom of the heart.